Okay, so what we're going to look in this video is plotting graphs of linear relationships. But first, let's consider what is a linear relationship. So when we say the word linear, we basically mean straight line. Okay, so we're only after a straight line. So if we looked in these examples of graphs here, what are straight lines? This would be a straight line. This would be a straight line. This wouldn't be, so I can cross that one out. This would be a straight line. This would not, so it's not a straight line, and this would be a straight line. Okay, so of those, I would pick A, B, D, and F as my straight lines. These ones have what we call a slope. These two have a slope. This one is horizontal, and this one is vertical. Okay, but they are all straight lines. Okay, so now we're going to use a table of values to plot a graph. And so what do I mean by that? And by a graph I mean a linear graph. So what I've got here is a table of values. So -3 and 1, for example, are going to be coordinates. Those are our coordinates that you would have seen previously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to the graph, and I'm going to go across to -3, which is about there, and then 1 would be -1 would be there. So where they would meet would be about there. Then I would go across x on the -2, so about there, and it happens to be y is 0. So y is 0 there. Then I'm going to go -1, 1, which would be about there. Then 0, 2 would be there. Then 1. So from 1 here, going up to 3. And if you join those, I could keep going more, but the point being is if I joined all of those, I get a straight line. So that's what we're looking for when we're saying use a table of values to plot a graph. And it's that putting that line through which gives you that nice straight line. So if you're doing this on paper, you'd use a ruler and make it look a bit neater to what I've done here.